Oh, French dip. I'm a sucker for like good American comfort food.
Bobby, what are you going with?
Beef tenderloin.
AKA filet mignon. It doesn't have a lot of flavor, but it cooks so easily and it's so tender no matter what.
I'm calling mine a French dip sandwich with Gruyere, which is a Swiss cheese, and porcini broth.
Sort of my twist on this dish.
Porcini mushrooms are very earthy, and they'll just elevate the flavor of the beef, which could be my secret weapon. So I'm getting my broth started. I start with beef broth. I add some dried porcini mushrooms, an onion, a bit of rosemary, and some garlic. So the meat has salt and pepper, and I'm just crusting it in a saute pan with some rosemary in there.
You need anything in that fridge? I can buy you a couple minutes. Bobby Flay is going with filet. What else you putting on there?
I'm gonna do like a grainy mustard mayonnaise, and I'm making like a porcini broth.
Porcini's in there,
Porcini,
rosemary, shallots, garlic.
shallots, yeah.
Someone tells me it's a nice, tasty sandwich.
Tasty.
Come on, let's go. Let's hear it for him.
33 minutes.
After I crust it, I finish it in the oven. I'm trying to emulate a version of roasted garlic, so I'm gonna cook it in olive oil.
Bobby, what's happening over here? Oh, shoot,
This is the porcini broth.
It could be salty, or a jus needs to be salty. Whoops. I didn't mean to help the enemy. What's that?
I'm gonna make this garlic butter to slather on the bread.
That's amazing.
So I have unsalted butter, salt and pepper, and then poached garlic. I think beef and horseradish go well together.
Bobby put the mustard and the horseradish into his mayo. It's a mass condiment with all your favorite things.
And then I take the broth, all the ingredients, into a blender, and then I strain it out. I think it has enough porcini flavor. I don't want to punch more flavor into it.
All right, Bobby, let me help you out a little bit. I can pick out some plates for you. Come on, let's hear it first! Come on!
That's coming out of your salary.
Like a Greek wedding over there.
If I tasted one meat, I gotta taste the other meat, right?
Yeah, how is it?
It's terrible. It's really good. It's actually very nice, got a nice char, and look at that caramelization. Bobby, be careful with the floor. I had a little bit of an accent over here, and I broke it through your plates. All right, 11 and a half minutes.
I slice the beef very thinly, and then I put Gruyere cheese on top. It has a good nutty flavor to it. And then into the salamander.
Hey, Bobby, what kind of bread are you using?
French bread. It's a French dip.
Well, that would seem like an appropriate answer.
Then I'm gonna toast the bread with a little olive oil and salt and pepper, because I want a little bit of crunch.
2 minutes and 40 seconds.
It's time to start plating. One side is the mayonnaise with horseradish and mustard, one side is garlic butter. And then I put the cheese and the beef bread on top and then broth next to it. That's it.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
This is a little short on elegance and really about satisfaction. So I think whichever one satisfies the judges more will win.